BJP appointee, doing the bidding of the BJP, holding press conferences and doing nothing else but attack Mamata Banerjee. You can respond to that since Monojit raised that point and the governor held that press conference today.
What is an honorable governor who is watching all this, the lawlessness situation in the state, supposed to do? Should he be a mere spectator? Or should he also speak in the tune of the violence, the corrupted party in West Bengal, which is TMC? He is doing his duty as a governor, and I think he knows much more better than Monojit Mandal that what are the duties of a governor, and he's following the same. See, there was an urgent need to remind Mamata Banerjee, to caution her as to what is the oath which she had taken when she was sitting on the chair as a chief minister, which she has completely forgotten. When she had sworn on the constitution that she would follow and take India, and we all resolved to the preamble, calling it a secular, sovereign, socialist country. But Mamata Banerjee has forgotten all this. She has forgotten what is the meaning of democracy, and going to an extent where, after what has all happened, before the investigation is completed, she says that it is the natak done by the opposition. What do you expect from a lawless state like this and a lawless chief minister at whose behest things like this in the state are proceeding? So this is high time that the governor needs to take a stand. And yes, he's doing what he needs to do, sitting on his chair.
Okay. Monojit, you've heard some of the things that have been said today. You know, we saw violence taking place yesterday, and we've seen some pretty disturbing phrases being used on both sides, whether it is Kalyan Banerjee, whether it is the chief minister yesterday, whether it is Dilip Ghosh today, whether it is, the nephew of the chief minister as well, invoking, many sort of unparliamentary things. It looks like the language of this, the language of abuse and violence has also been mainstreamed. Monojit.
You see, I think probably it's difficult for me to translate what Mamata and Mr. Banerjee talked about. It's Gadda, Nadda. It's some kind of, you can call, sort of uncouth, nursery, rhyme-like thing, in Bengali. But you take them seriously, so seriously that the governor is asking the chief minister to apologize. You take this incident, the incident is disturbing, what happened yesterday. You take it so seriously that you need to, in a sense, call the officers of the state, highest officer. We are not condemning the perpetrators of this incident. Okay. They must be arrested. But, does it occasion this kind of response from the governor? And when Mr. Dilip Ghosh can use what he said for the last 2-3 years, ever since he became president of the party in Bengal, there's not a single admonishment for him. Why only taking on Mamata Banerjee?
Okay.
Yes, Mr. Governor, you have also taken the oath of the same constitution. Why are your consciences colored? You cannot have colored conscience. And since you have a colored conscience, I think you can have a narrative. I'm giving you the specifics. Let me find out or show me a single tweet when the TMC is in the receiving end. Then I'll take the allegation back. I will not support what the TMC is saying.
You want to answer that, Priyanka? Priyanka, you want to answer that, and also on basically the Trinamool is saying that the words and the phrases that were used by Trinamool leaders has been tame, satirical stuff like Nadda and Gadda and stuff like that. But the language being used by BJP leaders, including Dilip Ghosh and Shayantan and others, is violent and murderous. There's a difference, says the Trinamool.
Move away from what has happened. It is not
just the language which he had used yesterday. It is about the entire incident which took place yesterday. See, as Mr. Monojit Mandal was saying, that it is very unprecedented. Many things are very unprecedented. Such moves by the governor in no other state has ever happened. Let me also remind him that such attacks on the president of a national party is also unprecedented. It has never happened in the history of India. Such violence, such political murders has never happened in the history of India. These are also very unprecedented, Mr. Monojit Mandal. So please take care of that as well. And moreover, what has happened, instead of talking about it, instead of saying that no, it should be investigated, you are doing rhymings on the stage. Look at the body language of the chief minister. It speaks volume about her background.
Okay. No, because the Chief Minister has made it very, very personal and about herself as well, Monajit. Don't you think so? You know, the Trinamool can accuse the BJP of escalating this and the pot calling the kettle black, etc., etc. But to have your chief attacked in this manner in West Bengal, I mean, why is the Trinamool so surprised by the reaction from the BJP?
What does one do, Ansip? For the last 1 year, even more, I've told you that he has been consistently taking on Mamta Di, her governance. And let me tell you, if there is violence on the ground in the local level, yes, we do acknowledge. Let me show a single.
But the Chief Minister called it Nautanki yesterday.
Let me make my point. Yeah,
Chief Minister called it Nautanki yesterday. There is a problem there.
I'll come to this point. I want this governor or this honorable governor to show me a single instance when he has tried to play the role of a neutral umpire by calling all the political parties. He's enjoying the violence, as it were. I'm sorry to say this. We had seen a governor in the form of Mr. Gopal Krishna Gandhi, where the single education took place. Please let me make my point, madam. I did not disturb you. Let me make my point. Please don't shout. Don't shout.
Priyanka, let him finish. I'll give you time.
I am not shouting.
Priyanka, let him finish. You can give a comprehensive rebuttal. Yeah.
You see many of these spokespersons or supporters, whoever, even in TV studios, they are provoking us.
No.
We are not getting provoked.
We are all friends here.
Let me complete my point. Let me complete
finish
my
your point. Finish your point.
I want this governor as a citizen of this country. As a resident of Kolkata, I want this governor to take the plunge and calling all the political parties and sit together eye to eye. See, show me a single effort by this governor in neutralizing the whole issue. If he feels that continuously law and
You're
order
saying that he's provoking it even more.
are involved. Politics, yes. He's not just even, he has already taken a stand.
Okay.
A stand which is so heavily biased towards BJP. I have given you the instances. Let them prove otherwise. I will take back.
Priyanka, the allegation, this is an allegation that has come quite a few times before this. You've already said that the governor knows his job and he's basically calling it out like he sees